Hello, this is my second bash tutorial. Welcome again. So today I'm going to teach bash tutorial. So today I do something different, which is for say I'll test at Crontab here. I have prepared something for you. So I'll start my container first. I'll use Control L to clear. I'll open my code. Okay, so what I have done, I have created a Docker compose file and Docker file for that, so that I can pull the image. I have shown this all in my previous video. Okay, and this is also installing the Corn utility, as I have previously it was not there. Now I have updated my Docker base file, and it is Corn is available, so it will install Corn as well. So compose file same as it is as it was previously, and name of the container is box. So let me start my container. Docker compose up in detach mode. That should be in the same directory where my Docker compose file and Docker file is residing. So I have started the container and it's running in my background. Now I say docker a process status -a. So I can see things are running and it is okay. So definitely I'll use dockerex interactive tag name, then dev box, then bin bash, okay. So right now I'm inside my container again, so I'll go to the directory uh, where I have created a volume. Volume means things are available in my container. So things are available in my local system. So I'll say CRONTAB-E to open the Crontab in edit mode. So it will ask for this question, which editor I want to use. It's Nano, Vim, Tiny, and Vim. So I'll always prefer Vim. Then I'll say Vim, Tiny. So my Crontab is empty right now. It has some comments in the Crontab editor here. So I'll use Vim editor to delete existing line using, so for say 50, then dd to clear. Obviously I have to save it using exec:\w, enter. So my Crontab is empty now. I'll say A to insert, come back to my insert mode. I'll quickly copy this Crontab from my readme, Control C, then I'll come and say Control V to set. I'll say escape:\w and then escape:\q to save, quit only. So W means save and Q means quit. Okay, then I can say Crontab-L to list that Crontab has been set up. Now every single minute it will yield some system related information to file. This stuff are written in this shell script. The shell script I'll open it from view, the read only mode of view editor. So shebang means every bash script start with this hash bean bash option, so that it's telling my operating system that is a bash script. Then this is a way to declare a variable in bash. So this is the location I want to store my log file. By the way, my shell script is also in the same location. So my log file uh, uh, directory with the file name will be this one. So it will append this dollar log file means it is going to show the value of this variable, then slash system logs. So in total it is slash mnt slash share then slash system status dot log. This is the log file dynamically storing in a variable, bash variable. Also I have created a bash variable in timestamp. By the way, you can do upper or lower case anyway, but it is the convention to use some bash variable which is in uppercase, so that it's the convention actually. Then I'll use this log directory and use a directory. If it is not there, if it is there, then it will not create. Dash is option for that. Then some data like how long the container is running. So I'll use this I'll encode this inside a variable. Then uptime, also I am using tr command to extract some data. Okay, tr command, and also piping this with another tr command to extract some data. These are the common procedure we do change some one command with another command, because uptime is a long going to yield a long output. So tr command is going to extract this. Then again I am piping it this with some other tr command so that I can get the concise data. So these are some variables actually. So I'll store this in a common variable by using this comma separated pipe separated key value pair. This is key and this is the value, and this is separated by a is equal to. By the way, I am using the quote, so I have to use escape sequence. So this is the output. So it will be timestamp is equal to the timestamp value within quote. So key value pair separated by pipe. Okay, so that will be yielding to a file called log file, and it is going to happen for every minute as I have set the corn tab. Okay, so I'll say escape colon wq enter, escape colon wq enter. Okay, something is, oh I know something is wrong, so I'll directly close it and reopen this, no problem. I'll go to the directory where my compose file is residing, and I'll use this bash exec command. By the way, bash exec command uh, can be initiated from anywhere from your terminal. Only the bash up and compose up and compose down need to be execute from where your compose file is residing. So I'm inside my container again, and I'll see whether Crontab are working or not. CRONTAB dash L. Crontab is working, so that means my file are actually getting appended. So I'll go to the location of my log file, which is also in my shared direct volume directory. Control L. I'll say til tail dash f, then log file name. Say log file is getting appended for every single minute. Okay, so as it is in the volume, the good thing about it is that if you see my local folder, if I open the log file from my from my local desktop, then you can see that is available in my local system as well, because my container has a volume, and this volume is pointing to this part, this portion of my local system. So after every single 1 minute, this line will be appended. These are some data. So this is not a big uh, deal of what it will be storing. The big deal is you can do whatever you want within some schedule amount of time, and the shell script will be running. Okay, so it's about your imagination, what what will do, what will not do. Okay, so it's a long file. So it's a comma pipe separated key value data. Key is this one and value is within quote. So things are working. In case you want to consume it, test it using PySpark or do some Python code from this, you can do this. Okay, so that's the reason I have created this shell script in this way. You can do it in JSON as well. If it is preferable to you, you can store it in JSON. Anyway, so ideally it should be pending. So it's also I can show it here in my container as well. So if I LL it last time, you can see it is last time of updation is this one. So every time it is appended and it is getting updated. Now after this Crontab, I can show you another advanced command called awk command if I have time. Awk command is also available in Ubuntu by default. So what is awk command? So let me open this t1.txt in read-only mode. Okay, so this I have created for to show some demonstration in awk command. So this is one section of the command file. It has column wise separated and it is delimited by a space. Okay, so let's see what can I do with the awk command. So if I cat it, it will show the same thing, but it is showing the full text file. I'll use Ctrl L to clear. I'll say now awk awk and the file name sorry, it should be awk. I'll pipe it actually, cat, then file name, then I'll pipe it with the awk command. And what I'll say in the awk command, I'll say to fetch, I think it is $1 for the first row. Okay, I'll use $2. Let's see what happens. $2 and $1. Say this to say print, and then this $1. So if I do this, I have to quote it. If I do this, what happens? Okay, it has two. Now our command works. So cat is going to generally use this. So I'll use the cat command again to show you the difference, what happens with the awk one. So see, this is 1, this is 2, third column. So using the awk command, I'm using second and 1. So second is this one and first in this one. So see here the second column is printed after first one. So I can do some pipe using awk command. So in the shell script as well, actually I have used tr. So if I use man tr, so I can see the man, but by default it is not available. I have to use unminimize command. I have shown you this how to do it inside the container. Okay, so thanks for the time. You have stayed for this long time. Now next time I'll teach some more advanced command in bash. Thank you so much for watching, and like and subscribe if you want, if you like it, and bye bye for today. Cheers.